Beautiful car. What is it?
69 Coronet RT.
Beautiful.
Still has only 45,000 miles on it.
Really? Wow. And what's the engine?
440.
440.
With
Beautiful.
a few upgrades.
What are the upgrades?
Electric water pump, electric fan,
Oh,
so
that
that
one,
it
right?
stays cool.
What does it do?
Pardon?
What does it do?
It keeps running at a higher pace when you're in slow traffic at stoplights.
Okay, and it has a fan in front, right?
Yep.
That's awesome.
Few little
I like
alloys
the
here
red
and there.
accent in front of the
Yep.
beautiful car. And so the interior was original?
It's original, just that it's been changed from black to white.
And the top too, right?
Yes.
Cool. Can you start the engine for us?
Sure can.
Thank you.
Yeah, it's literally yours.
Gotta find keys. Need keys.
How did you get the collector plate? How did you get the collector plate on it? The collector license plate.
Oh, you just apply ICBC. Yep.
Cool.
As long as you have era correct aftermarket parts.
You rev it? So you're a Mopar guy.
Big time.
Nice.
I like all of those.
Yeah.
The old ones doesn't matter, Chev, Ford, but I do prefer my Mopars.
Cool. Well, thank you so much for your time.
You're welcome.